Good morning and Jai Hind children. Welcome in your Maths Live class. In today's class, we will start from question number 10 of exercise 14 from properties of parallel lines. And then we will complete it in this period, beta. Okay, till question number 15 we will solve questions in today's class. So let's see quickly that what is question number 10. Already for saving time I have drawn the diagram, otherwise it will take at least 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see the diagram first. See, this is the diagram of question number 10. What it says, see the question now. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. In the given figure AB is parallel to CD. These two lines AB and CD are parallel to each other. Then what it says, that angle ABE is 120 degree. Children, see, where is angle ABE? ABE means this one. Okay, this is how much? This is 120 degree. Angle ABE is 120 degree. And angle ECD is 100 degree. Angle ECD. Okay, which angle? ECD means they are talking about this angle. This is how much? This is 100 degree. This is 100 degree. Now they ask from us that the question is asking that what is the value, the measurement of angle BEC, which they have taken it as X. Angle BEC. Angle BEC means which angle, children? Which angle? This one. BEC, and its name is X. What is the name of this angle? Its name is X. Already they have given that this is X value and find its measurement. Now quickly revise the transversal line. Transversal line which cuts two parallel lines. If there are two parallel lines and a line which cuts those two lines, this is called as transversal line, and these two are parallel line. If this is L, this is M, then L is parallel to M. In our case, AB is parallel to CD. And if a line cuts it into two distinct places, then it will be called as transversal line. Okay, so see here, see the concept, and see here, children, that which line which line cuts these two lines into two distinct points. So right now, if you will see, you will not imagine it, because you may see that, ma'am, AB is parallel to CD, but how we can say that any line is cutting those two lines, intersecting those two lines? So what we can do, children, just extend it like this. Okay, this is, and extend this also. So what your ma'am is doing, your ma'am is extending CD till here and AB till here. Now you can see these two lines are parallel, and now which line is intersecting the parallel line? Come on, this line. See, this line is intersecting here and here. If you will extend this, this line will intersect here, definitely. And this is a parallel line, so always the distance between these two lines will be same. So this line, if you will extend it, children, then it will be clear to you. Extend it in this way. This is C. So these two points, distinct points, at these two distinct points, the line is intersecting. Now if you will consider the parallel line concept, okay, and one more thing, beta, if you will not consider this, just leave it, no need to extend it. If you will consider this one, because it is already given that FEGs are also a parallel line. Okay, in the hint it is given that draw a parallel line FEG which is parallel to AB. क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है कि AB is parallel to CD, so draw a parallel line, this one, which is parallel to AB. सो अगर ये इसके पैरेलल है तो दिस लाइन विल डेफिनेटली पैरेलल टू CD ऑल्सो, तीनों आपस में पैरेलल हो गई. नाउ सी दिस वन, extend this line, which one? The transversal line. Leave the first one, now focus here. Okay, focus here. See, this is one distinct point where the line is intersecting, and this is also one of the intersecting point. Now if these two lines are parallel, if these two lines are parallel, children, why they are parallel? Because we have drawn a line parallel to AB, okay, and AB is parallel to CD, that's why CD will also be parallel to FEG. It is already drawn in the diagram also that this is the parallel line. Okay, now forget all these things. Now consider these two parallel line. If these two are parallel line and this line is the transversal line, why this line is the transversal line? Okay, why? Because it is intersecting parallel line 1 and second parallel line here at two distinct point. दो अलग अलग जगह पर उस parallel line को cut कर रहा है. जैसे कि ये this line is intersecting here also and here also at two distinct point. Same here. So this is the transversal line. And what we have learned, that if there are parallel line, is it visible? If they are parallel line, and if the line is intersecting those two parallel line, this is what? This is interior angle on the same side of transversal, also called as consecutive angles. Consecutive angles, interior angles on the same side of transversal line are supplementary. एक ही तरफ होंगे, अगर ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन के एक ही तरफ होंगे और इंटीरियर भी होंगे. सो लेट्स टेक इट एज y, इसको आप y मान लो. लेट टेक इट एज y. So 100 plus y, 100 plus y is what? Its sum will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, two parallel lines हैं और interior angles on the same side of transversal है, तो their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Now let's write down it. You just write down the given part also. First write down the given part, what is given to you, and then you can write down the other things. Let's see, children, quickly. I hope you all have drawn the diagram. I'm waiting, beta. Now write down angle DCE. Okay, angle, or write angle ECD plus angle GEC. Angle GEC is equal to 180 degree, and here you will write the reason. What is the reason? Interior angles on the same side of transversal, write down properly. Consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now angle ECD, this one 100 degree plus GEC, this one angle Y, is equal to 180 degree. So Y is equal to how much? Y will be equal to 80 degree. This Y will be equal to now 80 degree. Okay, this we have find. But you may be thinking that why ma'am has find this one, because in the question they have asked for this. So why ma'am is finding this? Because directly we cannot solve for this. With the given values directly we cannot solve, children. So we have to think, we have to elaborate it. First I have find this. Now see that another trick. Which one? See, these two lines are parallel. Okay, let me draw here. I am drawing the replica just below it. AB. Okay, this is 120 degree, and this is a parallel line, children. Okay, this is a parallel line, GEF. This is the parallel line. So now can you see this? If you will extend it, children, just extend it. Again you are getting a transversal line where there are two parallel lines. इसको आप इसको और एक्सटेंड करो, ऐसे इसको एक्सटेंड करो। सो आपको क्या दिख रहा है? व्हाट यू जस्ट सी हियर, ये कंफ्यूजिंग है थोड़ा। ये पूरा एंगल दिस 120 विल बी इक्वल टू दिस। क्यों होगा? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, ठीक है। ये पैरेलल लाइन है, दिस इज ऑल्सो पैरेलल लाइन, दिस इज ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन। सो दीज टू आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, एक छोड़ के एक अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, इंटीरियर भी है और अल्टरनेट है। सो दिस 120 विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच? विल बी इक्वल टू दिस होल, isn't it? This one BEG, BEG, ये पूरा, ये एंगल इस एंगल के बराबर होगा। बट ये एंगल क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस एंगल? दिस इज x प्लस y। सो 120 is equal to this angle. This is what? X plus y. Okay. So now using what? Angle ABE is equal to angle BEG. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे alternate interior angles, पूरा लिखेंगे बच्चों। What is the reason? You must write it. Why this angle is equal to this? Why angle 120 ABE, this one is equal to BEG, this whole one? क्यों है वो? क्योंकि वो क्या है? What are they? They are alternate interior angle, and if the lines are parallel, they will be equal. Surely they will be equal. So if ABE is 120 and BEG, we know children, BEG? No, but it is x plus y. So write down x plus y. Now put the value of y. x का तो नहीं पता, so put the value of y. y हमने निकाल लिया था पहले 80 डिग्री, ठीक है। So x is equal to what? x is equal to 40 degree, or you can write it as, is it visible? No, it is not visible. Or write x is equal to 40 degree. In this way you can conclude your solution. ठीक है। पहले इंटीरियर एंगल, कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीरियर एंगल ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल, ये दोनों सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं। सो दिस प्लस दिस इज इक्वल टू 180। अगर ये 100 है तो ये 80 निकल आया। नाउ कंसिडर दिस, एक पैरेलल लाइन ये है, दिस पैरेलल लाइन इज, सेकेंड वन इज दिस। सो टेक दिस लाइन एज अ ट्रांसवर्सल, टेक दिस लाइन BE, देखो BE एक्सटेंड कर दो इसको बेटा, टेक दिस लाइन एज अ ट्रांसवर्सल, ठीक है। सो ये क्या हो जाएंगे? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल, और वो इक्वल होते हैं। सो दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस, ये क्या है पूरा? x प्लस वाई। तो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 120, वैल्यू रखिए, x इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री आ जाएगा। नाउ आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर, अदरवाइज रिवाइज इट अगेन। हाँ, नाउ लेट्स मूव विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Next question is question number 12. Quickly write down the question and draw the diagram. I am also erasing my board work, children. Write down question number 12 and draw the diagram. No need to write the question, just write down the number, question number 12, and draw the diagram. Diagram is must, children, and draw using pencil, not with the pen. You must have pencil with you and scale or ruler with you. Write down question number 12 first. This is question number 12. Question number 12 is, let's see the question number 12. I am looking in the book, but I am having PPT for you. See, in the given figure ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD क्या है? It is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a polygon having 4 sides. पॉलीगन हैविंग 4 साइड्स, इक्वल है नहीं है क्या है, इट डजंट मीन। क्वाड्रिलेटरल, एनी पॉलीगन हैविंग 4 साइड्स। नाउ AB इज पैरेलल टू CD एंड AD इज पैरेलल टू BC, मतलब दोनों अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल हो गई, यानी ये पैरेललोग्राम है। नो, ओके, लेट आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, लीव इट चिल्ड्रन। लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। इन द गिवन फिगर L is parallel to M. लाइन L है और लाइन M है, ओके, इट इज पैरेलल। अच्छा, वन मोर लाइन इज देयर, एंगल P and एंगल Q, they are also equal. So they are asking that find the value of ABCD angle. सारे angles निकालिए अगर ऐसा है तो. और they have given one angle, that is 65 degree. Which one? It is exterior one. So let me draw the diagram. L is, and line L is parallel to line M. Line L is parallel to line M. ये L है children, and this one is M. Okay, and let me show you the board work. Okay, is it parallel? No, it is not parallel right now. Let me draw it again. It is tilted somewhere. So this one, write down like this. Draw like this, not write down, children. This is now. I think no, it's still something is missing. Let me draw M again, and I hope this time it will be parallel. Oh, a little bit, yes. So in this way you draw two lines which is parallel to each other. PQ is also a line, so I am just drawing PQ. Okay, this is P, line P. This line is P, and one more line is there, that is Q. This is also parallel to each other. This is P is parallel to Q and L is parallel to M. नहीं visible है, something is wrong. Leave it, but you draw it properly. Now next, angle ABCD. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this one is D. And they have given one angle, this one, 65 degree. So very quickly, what we can solve? We can conclude that angle A is equal to 65. Why? Vertically opposite angle. So just write down what you have seen. You have seen that angle A is equal to 65 degree. Okay, and you can you can just write down the name also, something PQRS like that. No, not PQ. PQ is already with us, so no need to write PQ. You can take any other vertex and you can write it also. Okay, then you can define that what is this angle, what is this angle. Right now we can't define na ki what is this angle. So, but while looking on the picture, A is equal to 65. Here you will write vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, write the proper reason why A is parallel. A is equal to 65. Now, children, leave this line. Leave this line and extend this one. इसको थोड़ा extend करो. Extend this one. Okay, and just leave this. इसको छोड़ो. Now, what you can see? These two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. L is parallel to M. So this is what? This is the transversal line. क्या हो गया ये? Transversal line. So A and D interior angles. Interior angles हैं और एक ही तरफ है transversal के. Consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. इस transversal के एक तरफ है. So their sum will be equal to 180. A plus D का sum क्या आएगा? 180. So angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Here you will write consecutive interior angles. Okay, consecutive interior angles. A we know 65 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now after that angle D is equal to 180 minus 65. So angle D is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1. 115 degree. Okay. Why? 65 plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. That's why. Put the value of A as 65. Transpose it to other side. You will get D. So now D is how much, children? D is 115. This is what? This is 65. Now the next term. If these two lines are parallel, PQ, if they are parallel, extend it and use this as a transversal line. इसको ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन यूज करो बेटा आप. अब ये सब छोड़ दो, लीव इट, इग्नोर दैट. नाउ कंसीडर दैट दिस इज P, यस दिस इज Q, दे आर पैरेलल, ये दोनों पैरेलल हैं, तो ये क्या हो गया, दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. थोड़ा फिगर घुमा के देख लो, और नहीं भी तो वैसे भी, अगर ये इफ दीज टू लाइन्स आर पैरेलल, क्वेश्चन में दिया है दे आर पैरेलल, सो डेफिनेटली दिस लाइन विल बी व्हाट, ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन. एक्सटेंड करिए उसको थोड़ा, ठीक है, इसको एक्सटेंड करिए, देखिए ऐसे एक्सटेंडेड. सो नाउ दीज टू आर इंटीरियर एंगल. वाई इंटीरियर एंगल, लाइन तो ये है ना, इसके अंदर एंगल्स, ठीक है. दीज टू पैरेलल लाइन्स, सो दीज आर व्हाट, दीज टू आर इंटीरियर एंगल्स एंड ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. ट्रांसवर्सल ये है बेटा, दिस इज द ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन, और ट्रांसवर्सल के एक तरफ है, ठीक है, ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. सो C प्लस 115 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, जो अभी किया हमने. अभी हमने इन दोनों को पैरेलल करके इसको ट्रांसवर्सल माना था, अब हम ये दोनों पैरेलल ले रहे हैं एंड दिस वन इज द ट्रांसवर्सल. सो ये क्या हो गए, इंटीरियर एंगल हो गए, इन दोनों पैरेलल लाइन के अंदर हैं और ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. So I am just erasing my board work from here. Write it side by side, children, or just have an idea. Angle C plus 150 or angle D is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ पे भी रीजन लिखेंगे, consecutive interior angles. Okay, पूरा लिखेंगे बेटा. Angle C plus angle D is 115 is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to what? Transpose 115 to that side. So you will get angle C as 65 degree now. Angle C क्या हो गया आपका? 65 degree हो गया. ठीक है? Now the last one, B. Same process. Which process? Now take these two as parallel. Not take, मतलब इन दोनों को लो बेटा, हाँ, they are parallel. So take L and M, they are parallel. So P will be, this line is transversal line, क्योंकि ये कट कर रही है इन दोनों लाइन को दो अलग अलग जगह पर. So ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, और ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है, तो ये दोनों अंदर के एंगल्स हो गए पैरेलल लाइन के इंटीरियर एंगल्स एंड ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल. सो सेम कंसेप्ट, दैट एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इज इक्वल टू 180. यहाँ पे रीजन लिखिए, एंड देन एंगल B प्लस C की वैल्यू 65 फ्रॉम हेयर इज इक्वल टू 180. सो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 115 डिग्री. ऐसे, हेंस एंगल A इज इक्वल टू 65, एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 115, angle C is equal to 65 and angle D is equal to 115. So in this way, just write down all the angles, because they have asked what is the value of all angles. Now, see, easily you can solve. Okay, just extend those lines which is parallel and see whether any line is intersecting it or not. Is it a transversal line or not? In any two given parallel lines, if a line intersect, then make it as a transversal and solve your query. Extend it through pencil. And dotted line. Why dotted line? Because this is not original diagram. Na? That's why I have extended. That's why I use dotted lines. Now, see the next question. Question number, after 14, we will solve question number, like 12 we have solved. Now question number 14. So question number 14 is how much, children? Which one is? AB and CD is parallel, okay, and CA has been produced to E, okay, children. Then what is the value of this? Quickly draw it first. Draw it first, then you will have an idea. I am also drawing my board work. I am erasing my board work and I am drawing the diagram. Now children, draw it quickly, children. Question number 14, AB is parallel to CD, okay, and draw it with proper, without any scratches here and there, okay, use pencil. So now see the board work. See, I have drawn this. AB is parallel to CD. these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. So now you can see this line is intersecting it at two distinct points, here and here. So can you treat it as transversal? Yes, we can treat it as transversal. Just extend it and see. See, just extend it, children. And then you can easily relate that why ma'am is saying that this is a transversal. Extend it, children. See, are they? Yes, they are parallel line. इसको extend करोगे तो still they will be parallel line, and this line is now intersecting. It intersected at two distinct points. Extend it. Now you can have a look of transversal line. आपको दिख रहा है कि ये transversal line है. Although the diagram is not in extended form, but we have to do because it will clear our mind that okay, this is parallel line, so this must be a transversal, and then we will apply the transversal line angles property. Now, in the question what is given, see the question that angle A, this one, this is x degree, okay, and EAB is how much? EAB is 125. EAB, this one, children, this is 125 degree. This one is x, okay, x degree. And then next one is, okay, at angle C it is Z, okay, it is Z, and at angle D it is Y. So they have asked about these three angles, X, Y and Z. Find the values of X, Y and Z, they have asked, okay. Three angles they have asked. Because X is repeating, so whatever the value of X, it will be same for that. Now children, quickly see, this is a straight line, and these two angles are formed on a straight line, okay. Adjacent angles हैं, straight, formed on a straight line. अगर ये A है तो ये straight line है बेटा, ऐसे. No, not like this. See, okay, and I think now it will be more clear. Yes, it is clear. E. तो ये angle, this I am talking about this x plus 125. X plus 125. See this? ये देखो. See? It is formed on a straight line. So what? And they are adjacent angles. So हम क्या use करेंगे? Linear pair. अगर ये ऐसे होता तो भी हम use करते, है ना? See, in any way, it is a straight line, yes, and two angles are formed on it. Adjacent angles are there, so it forms a linear pair. So x plus 125 is linear pair. Write down CAB, ये angle CAB. आप पहले यहाँ गिवन वगैरह लिख देना बेटा, and then write down angle CAB plus angle EAB, ये angle EAB is equal to 180 degree. रीजन है linear pair, okay, रीजन है linear pair. This angle plus this angle. So CAB is CAB, ये this one is x plus EAB, यानी ये this one 125 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 125. X is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 7 minus 2 is again 5, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. 55 degree. Okay. Now the next one. Now use the parallel line property concept. What it shows, that if these two lines are parallel, then consider the interior angle. These two are interior angle. AB and CD are parallel line. This is transversal line. So these two are interior angle, है ना? Parallel line के अंदर drawn है, बने हैं. So and on the same side of transversal, ये transversal है बेटा. So on the same side of transversal. So these two are what? These two are interior angles, consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. और उनका sum क्या होता है? 180 degree. See the replica. You can draw it also to clear your concept. This angle and this angle. Is it? No. Again, I have drawn it in different way. What I am doing today, I don't know. C and no, it's okay. So if it is C, if it is A, so these two are what? See, now it is clear. Transversal line, angles, interior angles on the same side of transversal line, consecutive interior angles. So their sum is what? Their sum will be equal to 180 degree. उन दोनों का सम क्या होगा? 180 डिग्री के बराबर होगा. So now Z plus X. Z plus X is equal to 180 डिग्री. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. अच्छा, इससे पहले बेटा आप वो लिख लो. What is Z and what is X? So because X एक और है यहाँ पे, तो DCA एंगल DCA प्लस एंगल CAB इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. रीजन लिखे यहाँ पे consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. Consecutive लिख दो पूरा. Consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. मैम ने क्या लिया? DCA यानी ये Z प्लस CAB means this one X is equal to 180 degree. Z हमें नहीं पता, but X is what? X is 55 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. So Z is equal to how much? 125 degree. उस माइनस करेंगे ट्रांसपोज करके. Z is equal to 125 degree. So ये हो गया आपका Z is equal to 125. X is equal to 65. Now one more. Which one? Y. Y is which one, children? Now are they parallel? No, they are not parallel. So we can't use that these two lines are what? These two are interior angles on the same side of transversal. No, because now these two lines are not parallel. So now what is our next step? That X value we know. X is 65 degree. So put the value of X as 65 degree, children. And now the next step is add all the angles. This is a quadrilateral, and sum of all four angles is equal to 360 degree. X we have found it by this linear pair. Z we find by using Z plus X, consecutive interior angles on the same side of transversal. ये पैरेलल है, ये पैरेलल है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, तो ये दोनों इंटीरियर एंगल्स एक ही तरफ, ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही तरफ. सो देयर सम इज 180. Z भी फाइंड हो गया. दिस वन वाज X जब 65 है तो ये भी 65 होगा. नाउ फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ Y. कैसे? एंगल पूरा लिखोगे. एंगल CAB प्लस एंगल ABD प्लस एंगल BDC, मतलब ये प्लस एंगल DCA मीन्स दिस वन. सबको ऐड करो एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 360. ओके, सो 65 प्लस Y प्लस 125 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 360 डिग्री. और यहाँ पे रीजन क्या होगा? रीजन होगा एंगल सम एंगल्स इंटीरियर एंगल सम ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. ओके, क्वाड्रिलेटरल के इंटीरियर एंगल का सम 360 डिग्री होता है. सो नाउ यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ Y फ्रॉम दिस. सो you just do it. Okay, I'm leaving it, children. Now I'm explaining the last one because time is exceeding. See the question is question number 15. In this the question is asked that in each of the given figure two lines L and M are cut by a transversal T. उन्होंने बोला है कि एक L लाइन है और एक M लाइन है और वो उसको कट कर रही है. कौन कट कर रहा है? ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन T. तो पूछ रहे हैं कि बताओ L is parallel to M or not. So you will reverse the concept and use the parallel line concept of transversal line. And if it will fulfill, then definitely those two lines will be parallel. Quickly see the second one. Question number 15. Second one I am not solving, I am just explaining it. आपसे पूछा गया है कि L, दिस इज L एंड द सेकेंड वन इज M, क्या ये दोनों पैरेलल हैं? Where T is a transversal line, where T is a transversal line. ठीक है, ये पूछा गया बेटा। देखो ये क्वेश्चन है, पूछा गया कि L और M पैरेलल हैं क्या, वेदर दे आर पैरेलल और नॉट। सो हम पैरेलल लाइन की ही प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे एंड देन वी विल प्रूव दैट वेदर दे आर पैरेलल और नॉट। वन पॉइंट इज गिवन हियर, दिस इज 35 एंड वन मोर एंगल इज गिवन, दिस वन इज 145 डिग्री। अब कैसे होगा? टू एंगल्स आर गिवन, one is 35 degree, write it properly. So if it is 35, this one is also 35 children, होगा ही होगा। vertically opposite angle, तो आप इसको एंगल 1 एंगल 2 ऐसे मान लेना। so if it is 35, this is also 35, क्यों? vertically opposite angle, इसको एंगल 1 मानो और फिर 35 लिखो इसका आंसर। now अगर ये दोनों पैरेलल होगा तो इन दोनों का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 180। अगर ये दोनों लाइन पैरेलल है तो इन दोनों का सम क्या होना चाहिए? 180। क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल। ठीक है, सो 145 प्लस 35 इज, यस इट इज 180। सो दिस लाइन L is parallel to M. Clear? So now in this way we can conclude our exercise today. Okay children, try this question. That's all for today class.